Now we are ready for the next question. Now, to answer this next question, we're going to need to flip the page and we must reread paragraphs 8 through 12. So we are going to flip the page. We're now on page 14 and we are going to reread
comfortable
8 to 12. That evening there was a banana moon and all kinds of sky glitter. The name Jeannie made up for the stars. Grandpa liked it. Little Wood, how many do you think are up there? Grandpa had been getting more and more comfortable with the yard and now was taking 4 or 5 steps at a time before slapping his hands back down on Jeannie's shoulders. But after a step or two with Jeannie's help, Grandpa would lift his hands again. He was like a baby learning to walk. And he almost had it. I don't know, Jeannie said, his head tilted all the way back. Let's see. He tried counting, but every time he got past 20, he'd get confused about the ones he had already counted. And eventually he realized how crazy it was to try to count the stars, even though it was definitely a question he needed an answer to. How many stars are in the sky? Finally, he just stopped and took a guess. Shoot, it gotta be at least 100. 100, huh? Grandpa said, smiling. Well, I guess I'll have to take your word for it. Number 474. How many stars are in the sky? And whose job is it to count them? Are new stars born? And if so, wouldn't that mess up the count? And as the sky gets older, does it start to lose stars like teeth? Now that we have reread paragraphs 8 through 12, now we are ready for the question. It says, what do you learn about Jeannie and Grandpa's relationship in these paragraphs? I need you to write what you've learned about Jeannie and Grandpa's relationship. Remember to answer the questions in complete sentences. After this video is finished playing, please start the timer. Students, we are not rushing. I see you, Buzz Lightyears. I see you, aliens. We are not rushing. We are taking our time. I'm giving you 5 minutes to really think about their relationship and answer the question in complete sentences. Remember, there is no prize for finishing first. Once you are done, pause and wait for the timer to go down. I know you guys got this.